All right, this is it. This is Cinco de Mayo.
Yes.
And Sam's on his way to
Jackson. Woo.
Jackson, Wyoming. Big job. Teton Gravity Research. Here's your van. It's all buffed out. You look good wearing Dad's hat. Why don't you give us a little quick tour here?
All right.
Where you're going to be living.
Right. MTV Cribs, come.
All right.
So first, this is the most important thing, all right? You got your laundry. This is where you put your laundry, all right?
Your dirty laundry.
Yeah, dirty laundry and all
Yeah.
that. There's none in it right now.
And good luck at the laundromat.
Yeah, I know. Jeez. Don't even.
You'll figure it out.
All right. Welcome to my crib.
Your crib. Oh my God.
So I got some toiletries right here. Good stuff.
Okay.
You know, if you
You're
got
going to
some...
be showering at the gym. You're going to join a gym to take a shower.
Oh yeah. And then you know,
All
you got some. If you got wet shoes, you can just put them down here. That way they don't mess up the rug.
Okay.
You got some prayer flags just for the you know, the aesthetic. You need the aesthetic.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Now you got your fridge here. All right. We got all the necessities. We got
my God.
bread, bagels, water. That's about it. You know, the necessities. And then you know, got the closet. Got a bunch of shirts and pants.
And it's all organized.
Oh yeah, and then you got a lot of storage under here. Backpacking, climbing, skiing, you name it. It's all down there.
Ready for anything?
We got it. And then
Cliff Bars. Okay.
yeah, Cliff Bars too.
Yep.
And then
Oh my God.
we got the bed.
Okay, go in it.
You know.
Looks good. Oh, there's okay.
Yes.
What about the LED lights?
the LED lights? You want me to?
Yeah, turn them on.
All right. You know, we got some LEDs for the
Romantic
aesthetic.
nighttime
Yeah.
by yourself.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, there they go.
Voila.
Yeah, they look good.
Good stuff.
Okay. So you're going to be sleeping in here.
Yep, I'll be sleeping in here. And got a trash can back here.
Okay.
Because
Because
you
there
know,
might be some
teenage
trash.
boys are dirty.
Well, it looks pretty clean so far.
And then here,
okay,
I'll
what
show
else?
you the back.
Okay.
All right. Let me.
Where are you? Here we are.
May I point out this amazing
Your license plate. Perfect.
Yeah.
Sex 312.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know,
I guess you got lucky.
gotta stand out, right? All right. And so then here we got some more storage. We got some necessity tools, camera gear, fishing gear,
Oh.
some flannels, and all of that. You name it. And we got a little photo wall right here just to remember the good old times with the people we love.
Okay.
And that's about it. So.
All right. Where's the Teton Gravity sticker?
One moment.
Well, it looks good. You did a good job.
Gotta represent.
Oh, you put a whole bunch of stickers on
I
now.
put a couple.
Okay.
And that's it. So thank you for joining me
Hang on.
on my van tour.
How do you feel?
Nervous, but
Yeah?
excited at the same time. So
Yeah.
Mom will keep you up to date with my endeavors. Thank you all for your kind comments, prayers, and support. I love you all. All right, bye.
Bye.